I'm Gracie, I study law and I live in Staircase 3. Follow me and come see what it's like. Here we are, welcome to my room. I think my favourite things that make this room my room are all of the posters and the decorations that I've collected over the years that I've got in the space, just to make it feel like home. So I've got a map of the lakes, because I'm from Cumbria, and I've got posters from art exhibitions I've been to, concerts. I've got a Dutch tin up here because I used to live in the Netherlands when I was a child. So it's kind of all those things that remind me of home and remind me of my family that make me feel really comfortable here when I'm sat doing my work or in dealing with stressful deadlines. I mean, I think I would say, do get a chair that is comfortable, that you like. I mean, I got this when I moved into my house in Cowley last year because none of our rooms had desk chairs. I liked it so much I brought it with me here, and it's kind of my non-negotiable. Not every room in Staircase 3 is identical, but every room in Staircase 3 has a study, a bedroom and an ensuite bathroom. In each floor as well, we have a kitchenette, which has hob, microwave, toasters, almost everything you could possibly need except an oven. And there's one of those accessible on each floor. I do like my view. It's an excuse to be extremely nosy. And I can see if anybody comes in and out of college, which is extremely handy to send, well-timed text for friends going, fancy going for a coffee? Because I know where they are.